Hello everybody, it's me, Georgia, if you don't know me, and today I'm going to be doing rainbow eyebrows. I literally have nothing better to do than this right now, so we're going to do it. I'm going to be following Nikki Tutorials' video, and I had to scavenge my room for a bunch of face paints because this doesn't have all the colours of the rainbow in it. Okay? We might be there. I know somehow I'm gonna get there, and it feels so wonderful. It's all for real. I'll tell you just how I feel. So wake up the members of my nation on my own, pretending he's beside me. Okay, so.
Really primitive. I'm just gonna start placing a line underneath.
We're using red. This is coming out too pigmented. How is hers like? Hers stands out so much, and then mine is just like, yeah. Okay, we're gonna make a purple, and then we're gonna go in with the blue. Oh. Why is that making an orange?
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What the heck? How does Nikki actually manage to make hers look so like rainbowy, and then there's me here with moldy looking eyebrows? I'm gonna use this purple in this palette because it's like, it actually looks like a really nice eyeshadow shade. Like if this purple here was an eyeshadow shade that I had, I would so use it. Okay, so we want the red to go into a purple, don't we? That's what I did say, right? I'm gonna start with the green on the other side. Yellow. Don't fail, don't fail, don't fail. Okay, I really want the yellow to stand out before I start mixing it with the green. So I'm trying my hardest right now that it doesn't turn into like a vomit colour when it goes near the green. And look, it's done that. Great. Yellow is like the one colour that is so easy to mess up, along with like white and like a really pale pink. Like yellow and white are just like the main colours that are so easy to mess up. Is that why they make white paper? Can you tell that's yellow? Because I really can't, and I'm struggling. Blue, but we're going to make it a really light blue. Can you hear my mum and dad arguing? Why is it so funny to me? Okay, I give up. Okay, so now I've actually like done the rainbow eyebrows. I'm gonna try and just correct them because this is such a weird shape of my eyebrows. Let's not ruin a concealer by making it multicolored. Okay everybody, that is my rainbow eyebrows. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not going to continue the rest of my makeup because I'm bored and I want to go downstairs. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up for effort because this was quite hard. But if you didn't like it, just don't do anything and leave.